Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an awesome 1965 Ford Mustang 2+2 fastback. Wicked little car, guys. Fun car to drive. Older restoration. It was a body-up restoration in the early 2000s. So it's, it's not a fresh resto, guys. Nice car though. Definitely some stuff you can nitpick in it. But I just can't find fastbacks. And I'll tell you one thing, this car is fun to bang the gears in. Got an aluminum headed 289 with a 4-speed factory A code car. Poppy red. I know it looks orange. That's what they call it. It's poppy red. But just a cool little car. 14-inch Magnum 500s with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. I'm sorry if I'm moving a little funny. The camera shakes. I've hurt my doggone back, so we'll try to get through this video and not hurt it anymore. But again, older resto. As I go around it, I'll kind of try to nitpick it. Definitely some blemishes in the paint. I would not repaint the car. I'd leave it alone and enjoy it for what it is. Again, you can see some touch-up marks, some little things like that in the paint. Still nice and flat, nice and straight. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice, but as you walk around it, you're definitely going to see some little touch-up marks and stuff like that on the car. Ugh. Good car though, good solid straight body. I didn't see where they had changed any panels on it. And a healthy little 289. Ordered a new antenna for it. They're on back order right now, guys. Not much I'm going to be able to do. Matter of fact, they've got two Mustang that need that same antenna, and fortunately they're on back order. Paint's nice. I don't want you to think that it's horrid, but again, 90% of these things we sell sight unseen, and I always kind of want you to to know exactly what you're getting. Again, as you walk around, you can see some little touch-up marks and stuff like that. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Sits good. Fun car to drive, man. This thing hits the road outstanding and tons of power. Gonna nitpick that rear bumper a little bit. Little ding there in the bottom of your quarter. Magnum 500 wheels, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the bullet mirrors. Factory 2+2 with a fold down rear seat. Again, factory 289 as well, or 289 A code car. Balanced and blueprinted 289. All the receipts and stuff are in there in the trunk of the car. It's got a Holley 4-barrel, aluminum intake. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum water pump. It's got a Melling camshaft in it, roller rockers, does have headers. MSD 6AL box with a Pro Billet distributor. You can see it still has the original VIN on the inner fender there. Chrome air cleaner, billet valve covers. Original buck tag is still here. I've ordered the door tag for it. There's no door tag on it. I believe that's your original paint, guys. 4-speed manual trans. Again, your original VIN is still on your inner apron there. Quick. This thing runs strong. Again, you can see the little blemishes on the, well, I'll try to get in a little closer to that. It's hard to do with my back the way it is, but I'll try to get in there and show you those a little better. Again, you see little blemishes on the door. Not a perfect car, but a good, solid, straight driver, guys. And if you're hunting for a fastback right now, you know what these things are pulling. They are just on fire. I just can't find them. 8-pillar chrome's nice. Again, bullet mirrors. Looks like the original door handles. Again, I've ordered a door tag from it from Marty for it. I think that's your original paint in your jams here. I also think this is mostly the original interior. Bucket seats, got the full-length console in there. Wood wheel. Again, it does have the fold-down rear seat. Headliner's nice. It's got the Pro Comp Monster tach. Showing 24,280 on your odometer. I don't know how many miles are on the restoration, guys. Factory AM radio, factory dash. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It has a Currie 9-inch rear end, full axles and everything. There's a receipt for that. That was done in the mid-2000s. 389 traction lock. It's got traction bars on the rear. That's all the receipts and everything on the restoration. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, I think that's your original paint underneath there. Again, car's clean underneath. Floors are nice and clean. I did not see where they had changed any panels, guys. I think that's your original paint on those door jambs there. Car really drives out, handles good. Do have the original owner's manual for it. Let Jordan fire it up. See how quick it gets its R's. This thing rocks, man. Fun car to drive. Tach works, fuel gauge works. Does your parking brake work, Jordan? Oh, you can see it's holding good oil pressure. Right there, yep. Yep, parking brake grabs. Great sound. No on the radio blower motor. Blower motor does work, guys. You can hear that little cam working in it now. There we go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Get it out in the sun here to see that color. I mean, it really is orange. They call it poppy red, though. Sits good. Hopefully Jordan gets a nice clearing here, because this thing runs, man. Runs strong.